Welcome to the Visual Fractions YouTube channel. Today, we're going to explore how to convert the fraction 2/4 to a decimal. To convert the fraction 2/4 to a decimal, all we need to do is divide the numerator, the top number, by the denominator, the bottom number. In this case, we want to convert 2/4 to a decimal. So, we simply divide 2 by 4. The answer we get is 0.5. To do this by hand using long division, we start by writing 2 as the dividend and 4 as the divisor. Since 4 doesn't fit into 2, we add a decimal point in our answer and append a 0 to 2, making it 20. How many times does 4 go into 20? Exactly 5 times. We write 5 after the decimal point in the quotient. Multiplying 5 by 4 gives us 20. When we subtract 20 from 20, we get a remainder of 0. So, there we have it. The fraction 2/4 converted to a decimal is 0.5. It's also worth noting that 2/4 can be simplified to 1/2, which also converts to 0.5 as a decimal. This conversion process shows how we can represent fractions as decimals, a valuable skill in various mathematical applications. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button. For more math tips and conversion guides, don't forget to subscribe to Visual Fractions. Thanks for watching.